Welcome to the channel. Today I got Renault Modus 2006 model. Basically MOT fail for the rear light. We'll see what's going on there first. Before we start anything, I'm going to show you what's going on here. Side light on please. Right. You can see now. Side light on nicely. This side all nice. Would you mind put the indicator left side please? Yeah, indicator working fine, light fine, all good. Right, I'm going to the driver side now. Can you do the driver side indicator? You can see what happened. This light work, and also when you come into the passenger, little bit flickery. Can you see? Bit flickery. Yeah, that's a problem vehicle has. Uh, would you mind on the hazard signal, please? Yeah, when you on the hazard signal, same thing. You can see this side indicating other lamp also well. Right. I'm feeling something not right. Which side? Driver, passenger. Driver, passenger. What do you think? I feeling something not right this side. That's why when he operate the indicator for the driver side, this light illuminate other all lights. Right. Okay. We'll see what's going on here. I'm going to open the boot. Right. Now I need to take a access for the this lamp. Right. I can't see inside what's going on. I'm going to bring the light. Okay. There is a inside connector. Once I remove, I'll show you. Little bit awkward, but we can do it. Okay. Right. Took it out this knob. I'm going to remove the lamp holder. It's going here. This one normally sit on here. You need to remove. Then after that you can disconnect the whole bulb holder. Basically you can remove whole unit. Right. Next step, we need to remove this connector and have a look what's going on there. Yeah. Okay. We need to press this tab, squeeze together, and right. Okay. We need to press this tab and remove. Visually I can't see, but I can see something happen to the this connector. You know, the middle one, the 1 2 3 third one. Yeah, this is the suspect one. That this is the earth line. That's why I feeling. That's why it's illuminate multiple light. This third connector little bit suspect something not right. Okay, I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to the bulb holder. Yeah, see, exactly we know the problem too. Yeah, exactly, now we know the problem. This third one, something happened, that's why it's illuminate the other lamp also well. See, bit burn. Okay, I'm going to take out this holder. Right, we'll see what happened inside. Yeah, same thing, it's melt. See, it's melt here. Right. Okay, what I'm going to do, I think still this vehicle has a bit life for the this connector. I'm going to clean and reinstall and have a look, because I don't want to add unnecessary part. Better to just try. I'm cleaning. Right. Next thing, what I'm going to do, because too much gap here, that's why the problem. You can see it's bit gap, but I'm going to reduce the gap, bring these two connectors bit forward. You can see all connectors bit far. I'll just took it this connector to close each other. Right. Okay. Now we'll see what's the output. I'm going to reconnect again. Right. We'll see what's going on there now. Start the car for me, please. Hold on, yeah. Right. We'll see what's going on now. Start the car for me, please. Okay. Side light on. Yeah. All fine. And the hazard light on. You can see now. No any problems. Have a look this side. Nice and fine. But this is temporary solution. You can see I didn't do anything much there, but basically this customer need a new bulb holder and new connector, but at the moment temporary, okay for the MOT. If you have a problem like this, you know what to do. Follow this video ending with you are like this. To be honest, it's not a rocket science. Go step by step like me, you can get the answer. You don't want to pay for the any garages, use your sense little bit more. Okay, if you need to join with us our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, link below, you can click that link and you can sign with our groups and you can ask many questions around the world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.